What's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the remote batteries in your 2001 Honda CRV. First thing you want to do is remove the emergency key from the key fob. We're going to go ahead and move this switch over to the right on the back of the key fob, and it'll release the emergency key. Now we're going to split the key open, so we want the buttons facing down. When we split the key open, the buttons will get real loose and we don't want to lose them, so we're going to hold it like this. I'm going to get the flathead screwdriver, a little small one, and I'm just going to stick it just like this, and I'm going to pry the case. Okay, I'm going to pry the case and split it like this. Okay, it's kind of a hard angle to see, but just going to split it open. Here, I'll do it again. I'm going to take it like this, split it open, and take the back cover off. Now you want to hold it like this because the whole internals of the remote can fall out and you can lose the buttons again. Go ahead and remove the battery using the flathead screwdriver. It's just clipped in there. Now the battery is going to be a CR2032, and I'm going to leave a link in the description box below where you can pick up some batteries from Amazon if you want to pick some up. Get a new battery. So the new battery, remember just to install it with the positive sign facing you, and we're just going to stick it in and lock it right in there, get the cover and put it back on and close it, and put the emergency key back in, and we are all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, I'd really appreciate it if you like and subscribe. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.